Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. In this class today, question number 4, show that the modulus function f such that real number to real number given by f of x equal to modulus x is neither 1 1 nor on 2. Modulus x is positive or 0 and modulus of x is negative if x is negative. Okay, now question number 4. Okay, रियल नंबर टू रियल नंबर का मतलब -3 -2 -1 0 1 2. ठीक है, सेम हियर रियल नंबर -3 -2 -1 0 1 2. Okay, function f of x equal to modulus of x. Here modulus of x is equal to, modulus means here it have both values. Okay, first one positive x. Okay, next negative x. Positive x, x greater than or equal to 0. Okay, minus negative x, x less than 0. Okay, in modulus function it is similar to square. Okay, if I take plus or -1 in square, if you square +1 or -1 you will get only +1. The same here, it is modulus function plus or -1, the answer will be +1. Okay, it is similar to square. Okay, therefore if I take -1, okay, then it will become 1. Okay, if I take +1, the same +1. If I take -2, it will become +2. If I take 2, it will become 2. Okay, therefore -1 and +1 both have same images. Okay, for checking it is 1 1 or many to 1. Here see, -1 has image 1 and +1 also has the image 1. Therefore here it is many to 1 function. Okay, it is clear. Therefore here it is not 1 1 function. Okay, next checking whether it is onto or not. Okay, here -1, see here this -1 has belongs to real number, but -1 has no pre image. Okay, only -1 has no pre image. Okay, for checking it is onto or not, you have to check the codomain. Okay, in the codomain every element should be filled, but -1 -2 -3 up to -infinity, here it has no pre-image, because in the modulus function both value should be positive. Okay, if you take plus or -1, then it will become only the positive value 1. Okay, therefore minus 1 has no pre-image, therefore here it is not onto function. Okay, finally you have to write it is neither 1 nor onto. Okay, next question number 5. Okay, so that the signum function f such that real number to real number given by f of x 1 if x greater than 0, 0 if x equal to 0, minus 1 if x less than 0 is neither 1 nor onto. You have to show that the signum function is neither 1 nor onto. Okay, given question number 5, f of x equal to 1 if x greater than 0, 0 if x equal to 0, minus 1 if x less than 0. Okay, here real number to real number. Okay, in real number minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, I am taking only few examples. Here also minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, here 1 if x greater than 0. If I take f of 5, then here it is 5 is greater than 0, therefore here it is 1. Okay, if I take f of 100 equal to f of 100, 100 is greater than 0, therefore here it is 1. Okay, if I take exactly f of 0, therefore here it is 0. Okay, if I take f of minus 3, okay, it is minus 3 is less than 0, therefore here minus 1. If I take x minus 5, here also minus 5 is less than 0, therefore minus 1. Okay, therefore here if I take 2, it is greater than 0, 1. Okay, if I take minus 3, it is less than 0, minus 1. If I take minus 1 also, minus 1. Okay, if I take 0, 0. Okay, here for checking it is 1, therefore here it is not 1 because every number, if I take 5 equal to f of 100 equal to f of 22, okay, these are greater than 1, therefore greater than 1 means greater than 0, it is equal to 1. Okay, if I take minus 2 f of minus 5 f of minus 50, here these are less than 0. Okay, therefore here it is minus 1. F of 0 equal to 0, therefore here it is many to 1 function, therefore it is not 1 function. ठीक है, दूसरा कंडीशन ऑन टू. For checking whether it is onto or not, you have to check the codomain. In codomain, every element should be have its pre-image. Okay, but here -2, -3 up to -infinity has no pre-image. Likewise here +2, +3 up to +infinity has no pre-image. Therefore I am taking few example. -2, -3 belongs to real number, but -2 has no pre-image. Okay, therefore here it is not onto function. Okay, finally you should write it is neither 1 nor onto function. Okay, I hope you understood question number 4 and 5. Okay, if you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.